Namaste, I'm Aarti Chawla and welcome to my channel, The Indian Bling Girl. Today I'm here with my fresh bare face. I haven't applied anything onto my face today and we will be seeing three easy face masks that you can make at your home with the things that are already present in your kitchen. So let's get started.
First, I will take multani mitti in a bowl and add some rose water in it. If you don't have multani mitti, you can replace it with gram flour. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric and 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey in it. Adding 3 to 4 strings of kesar and let the mask dissolve until you get a paste-like consistency. My mask is ready to use. I'll start applying the mask from my forehead. Also make sure that whenever you apply a clay mask, start from the center of your face and take the mask towards your ears. This will make sure that your skin doesn't sag when your mask is set. Multani mitti deep cleanses your skin and controls the sebum oil. It also evens out your skin tone and brightens the complexion. Whereas rose water helps us to control the pH balance and has inflammatory properties. Not forgetting the corners of our face. Turmeric helps to revive your skin and adds luster to it, whereas kesar reduces pigmentation and dark spots. Do remember to always apply face mask in upward direction. It helps to lift your skin. I'm done with the application of my face mask and I will wait for 10 to 20 minutes and let it dry. I'm done washing my face and my skin feels super cleansed and brightened. This face mask has properties to reduce tanning, pigmentation, dark spots. It also controls pH level and has inflammatory properties. Moving on to our next face pack, I will take 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to protect moisture into your skin. Honey is packed with antioxidants, which help to protect, repair and prevent skin damage and also calms your skin. Cinnamon is very useful to improve your blood flow. It also treats your acne. Now, before applying this face pack, it is recommended to first do a patch test and leave it for 5 minutes. If you are comfortable, apply this mask all over your face. You can apply this mask in any direction you want, as this is not a clay mask and it won't set onto your face. Honey and cinnamon both has antibacterial properties which help to prevent acne and skin blemishes. Adding these easy peasy homemade face pack in your regimen will help your skin look and feel better. I have completed the application of this mask and I will leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with normal water. My skin feels super soft and moisturized. So let's move on to our next face mask. This is a tomato peel. Yes, you heard me right. So whenever a tomato is grated in my kitchen, I do take the peel and massage it gently onto my face. Tomato is rich in vitamin A, K, B1, B3, B5, iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc, lycopene and whatnot. These vitamins are naturally present in tomato, which together works wonders onto our skin. It also helps to reduce open pores and blackheads. Keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off with a normal water. It not only works as an astringent but wakes up the dullest skin. It's good for acne prone skin, and if you want to see immediate results, please use it daily. These were few simpler facial masks that you can make at home, and your skin will surely thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. See you soon.